Okay, I think we are live here. Welcome everybody. This is Nick, the product manager at Hearit.ai, and I'm here to introduce our products. As you can see, this is our AI Chatmic, and this is our app. This is iOS phone. I have it installed. Our app. You can find our app in App Store, and let's demonstrate it. I am live on YouTube. Give me some questions or to interact with the audience.
One, what's the most interesting thing you've learned recently? Two, if you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be and why? Three, what's a skill you've always wanted to learn but haven't had the chance to yet? Four, share a moment that made you laugh uncontrollably. Five, go and why? Six, what's a book or movie that has had a profound impact on your life? Seven,
Okay, you can stop it
share
by pushing the button once. And then I think it would probably be meaningless if you can just like push and talk, just have your app open. I can also talk to the official app of ChatGPT. We have done some work that make our app work in background. So you can, as you can see, I locked the screen. Lock the screen here. The screen here is retained, but as you can see, my phone is locked. So tell me something I don't know. Tell me something I don't know.
The average person walks the equivalent of 3 times around the world in their lifetime. This is an interesting statistic that showcases just how much we move throughout our lives without even realizing it.
Okay. Okay. As you can see, our app. This is the conversation we have. We can have this conversation with the phone in the pocket, so you don't have to like pull out your phone, unlock the screen, find the app, and tap the conversation, and then ask the questions. This is just a simple tap before you have access to AI. And also we have multiple models alongside with ChatGPT 3.5. We have GD4, we have Claude, we have Gemini, we have web search, the interpreters, and some beta models we have. Let's try web search. Must know in times you cannot fully trust them because they tend to make things up. So we solve this problem by letting it to search the internet before they respond. So their response are based on the search result and not hallucination. Let me show you. When was Socrates born?
Socrates was born in the year 469 BCE. As recorded in the Internet Encyclopedia of Philosophy, History, and Biography.com. His birth year is also mentioned in the Wikipedia and Stanford Encyclopedia of Philosophy.
Okay, as you can see, this side. In this one, the reply has mentioned the original website that it came from. The information is coming from the website search result base. So that is not hallucination. So if you have any question you would like to ask AI, to type in the chat box and I will ask it for you. And if you have any questions for me, also do that. Okay, let me try another one. Hmm. Uh, when was Donald Trump born?
Donald John Trump was born in Queens, New York on June 14, 1946. This information comes
Okay.
from the White House Historical Association, which provides a biography of Donald J. Trump.
Okay. Okay. What are the questions should I ask? Tell me about expressionism.
Expressionism is an artistic style that emerged in the early 20th century, characterized by the artist's desire to depict subjective emotions and responses rather than objective reality. This movement spanned various art forms including visual arts, literature, music, and theater. Artists sought to distort reality. Expressionism prioritized personal feelings and moods, and aimed to present the world from a subjective perspective. Sources: Britannica, Tate, The Art Story.
Okay. Uh, it was interrupted a little because when the connection of the internet is poor, the TTS sometimes will. What should I ask? Tell me about Van Gogh. Okay, that's. I think I did not pronounce it right. Let me go another one. Uh, tell me about NBA.
The National Basketball Association, NBA, is a professional basketball league in North America composed of 30 teams. Premier professional basketball league in the world. The NBA. It was formed in the United States in 1949 by the merger of two rival leagues. You can find more information about the NBA on Wikipedia, NBA official.
Let's show you another one. The interpreter. Okay. Interpreters, as you know, the large language models are natural interpreters. They naturally learn a lot of languages. So uh, on top of that, our device makes sure that the language you speak is auto-detected. So you don't have to choose the language you speak. So if you are in front of a foreigner and you don't know the language he or she speaks, so you can just point the microphone to him, point our chat mic to him, and let him speak his own language. And the language will be auto-detected and translate back to you. I know a few words in Japanese. I'll show you in Japanese. 今日は雨だった。
Today it rained.
Yes, and you speak English back to it. So our model detects the language you need to interpret with is Japanese. So when you speak English, it will translate back to Japanese. I'm heading to my hotel.
私はホテルに向かっています。
As you can see, the TTS itself is multilingual, so I will speak different type of languages seamlessly. You don't have to choose or change the language. Okay. If you have any questions you would like to ask, just type in the chat box. I will see the question and I will reply it myself, or I'll ask AI for you. Let me go with the metaphor. I like this one. The metaphor model is the model that we are hard to understand to you in metaphor. That's why it's called metaphor. So you tell him a concept you want to know and we'll explain it to you in metaphor. What is API? Oh, sometimes it will not take the detect this when it release. So let's go again. What is API?
Imagine you are in a restaurant and you want to order food. You don't go into the kitchen and cook the meal yourself, right? Instead, you sit at your table and look at the menu. The menu is like an API, application programming interface. It provides you with a list of options or endpoints that you can choose from. When you decide what you want to eat and place your order, the waiter, or in this case, the API, takes your order to the kitchen or the server, where the chefs or the server-side code prepare your meal or the data you requested. To you. In the world of technology, an API works in a similar way. It acts as a menu of options that a software application can use to interact with another software application or service. It defines the methods and data formats that applications can use to request and exchange information. Just like how a restaurant menu provides a structured way for customers to order food, an API provides a structured way for different software systems.
Okay, let's stop it. And let's ask another one. If you have some concept you would like like the AI to explain, just type in the chat box and I will ask AI for you. So, what is DFM?
DFM stands for Design for Manufacturing. Let's imagine you are building a house from scratch. DFM is like considering the ease of construction and efficiency of the building process before you even start laying the foundation. When you design a house with DFM principles in mind, you think about things like the materials you'll use, the layout of the rooms for optimal flow, and how easy it will be for the construction workers to build it without running into obstacles. You want to make sure that the house can be built efficiently, cost-effectively, and with minimal errors or delays. In the world of manufacturing, DFM is similar. It involves designing a product in a way that makes it easier and more cost-effective to manufacture. This includes considering factors like the choice of materials, the manufacturing processes involved, and how to simplify assembly. By designing a product with DFM principles, you can streamline the manufacturing process, reduce production costs, and improve the overall quality of the final product.
Okay. What concepts do I need to understand? Tell me about Flutter.
Imagine you have a magic notebook that can instantly organize.
Okay, I did not mean that. Tell me about React Native.
Imagine you have a magical wand that can instantly transform any ordinary object into a beautiful, functional masterpiece. This wand is like React Native in the world of coding. React Native is a powerful tool that allows you to create stunning, high-performance mobile applications using just one codebase. It's like waving your magical wand and turning a plain rock into a dazzling gemstone. Just as your wand can work its magic on different types of objects, React Native can be used to build mobile apps for both iOS and Android platforms without having to write separate code for each. It's like having a universal translator that can communicate with multiple devices effortlessly. With React Native, you can think of it as a bridge that connects the worlds of iOS and Android development, allowing you to create seamless, native-like experiences for users on both platforms. It's like having a versatile tool that streamlines the app development process and saves you time and effort. So, in summary, React Native is like your magical wand in the coding world, enabling you to create stunning mobile apps that work seamlessly on both iOS and Android platforms.
Okay, let's stop it right there. For those who are new to our live stream, this is our product, the AI Chatmic. We connect it to our app, which can be found on App Store, and then we can talk to different kinds of AI, even if the screen is locked. And we have different kinds of models that allows you to have different AI experience. Okay, let's go from the top. As you can see, we have multiple models. We have Judy 3.5, we have Judy 4, Claude, Gemini, Web Search, and other beta models we have here. So I am live streaming on YouTube. Say hi to everybody.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the live stream.
Okay, welcome.
It's great to have you all here. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, feel free to share them in the chat. I'm here to help with anything you need. Enjoy the stream.
Oh, okay. I see an audience. Hello. Hello, Mr. Zero. Okay. Let's go another question. Tell me something I don't know.
Sure. Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly good to eat. Honey's low moisture content and acidic pH make it an inhospitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms, giving it an incredibly long shelf life.
Okay. If you have any question you would like to ask AI, just type in the chat box and I will ask AI for you. Okay. Let's go another one. Do you think you are better than Claude?
I don't compare myself to other entities. I'm designed to provide helpful and accurate information to the best of my abilities. If there's any
Do you think you are better than ChatGPT?
and honest.
Okay. Tell me about yourself then.
Hello. My name is Claude. I was designed by Anthropic to be helpful, harmless, and honest. I don't have subjective experiences like humans do. I'm an AI assistant focused on being respectful and providing accurate information to users.
Okay. Tell me something I don't know.
Unfortunately, I don't have any special knowledge or experiences to share beyond what I've been designed and trained to discuss. As an AI, I don't have personal experiences or opinions. I'm an artificial intelligence created by Anthropic to be helpful, harmless, and honest in conversations. It's my goal to respectfully answer people's questions to the best of my abilities based on my training.
Okay. Let me show you again. Our app put a lot of work in the background connectivity. so you don't have to open your phone and stare at the screen and talk to any AI model you desire. You can just lock the screen. Lock the screen. As you can see, my screen is locked now. The this screen is on because it is connected to retain the last image. So when I ask it, tell me about yourself again, because our app works in the background, so you don't have to.
Hello, my name is Claude. I was created by Anthropic, PBC, to be helpful, harmless, and
Okay, I think I interrupted.
I'm an AI assistant focused on being respectful and providing accurate information to users. My role is to have friendly conversations, answer questions
Okay, my network connection is not very good, but I think it is interrupted because the network connection. What I'm showing here is that you can lock your screen, put your phone in your pocket, and still communicate with AI just with one simple tap. Okay, enough for Claude here. Let's go with web search again. Okay. Uh, mm, uh, Tell me about New York.
New York is a diverse city, being the most populous city in the country. It is known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and bustling economy.
Mm-hmm.
The state is composed of 5 boroughs: Brooklyn, the Bronx, Manhattan, Queens, and Staten Island, on the North American continent, and has a population density of over 27,000 people per square mile. Sources: Wikipedia, Britannica, NYC.gov, countries around the world, National Geographic Kids.
Okay. So as you can see here, it is this one. The response is based on the search results. Yes, you can see the sources are listed and the end of the conversation. But so any questions in our web search model. So in this case, search results are coming from Wikipedia, Britannica, nyc.gov, and several sources. Let me ask another question. Okay, I see. Hi, I'm fine. Okay, if you have any question you would like me to ask about AI, to ask AI about, you can type in the chat box and let me ask AI for you. Okay, it should it does not necessarily be English. You can ask in any language you desire, and I will play it, and they will auto detect the language you speak. Uh, let me show you the auto detect language. I know a few words in Japanese. I'll speak Japanese and it will auto detect. 日本語は難しいでしょうか？
ネキョタン的内容。日本語を母国語としない外国人にとって、日本語は習得が難しい言語の一つとされている。
Okay. As you can see, the language here is auto detected. Okay, I see that. Can I speak in Indonesian? I cannot speak in Indonesian, but you can type your question. I will translate and let the speaker do the work. I will translate it I'll put it and make text to speech tools and let the tool speak for me. I speak Chinese, a little bit of Japanese, a little bit of Korean and English and Cantonese. Okay, enough about web search here. Let's tell. Let's go into the interpreter. Uh, Interpreters, as you all know, large language models. Uh, their name indicates it. I see a question. I have no idea what this is, but I will copy it and let the text to speech tool speak for me. Okay.
Apa kabarmu hari ini?
I have no idea what this is.
What is your condition today?
Okay. What is my condition today? I'm fine. Okay, great example. So if you don't know about the language that is in front of you, no, are you buffering up? Okay. Oh, I think you're back now. So as you can see, uh, our device auto detects the language. I think it's Indonesian, and in this model, the interpreter, it auto detects the language and then it interprets back to English to me. So if I speak English, it will translate back to Indonesian. So I'm fine, thank you.
Saya baik, terima kasih.
Okay. Please let me know this. Is this good Indonesian here? Okay, I see another Indonesian here. Let me go to the TTS tool and do it again.
Hari ini adalah hari libur di Indonesia. Hari libur di Indonesia. Today is a holiday in Indonesia.
Okay. I think it is correct, right? Let me know if it is correct. So I envy you for being on holiday. We'll be working for 6 days this week.
Kita akan bekerja selama 6 hari minggu ini.
Okay. Maybe I'm not pronouncing it right, but it is recognized by ask some another questions, and I will change it to the large language models you have here, and you can ask the questions to AI, and the response will be in Indonesian. Let me try this one.
Hari ini adalah hari libur di Indonesia. Apakah Anda memiliki rencana khusus untuk merayakan hari libur?
I have no idea what it said, but let's ask it about it English for me.
Hope you can enjoy your free time today. Do you have any
Okay, in internet connection here. Let's go.
Silakan buka toko di Indonesia.
Okay.
Silakan buka toko di Indonesia. Please open a store in Indonesia.
Okay. I think we can ship internationally, but we're actually starting a program that will give out free samples of this product and to beta test our product, because we are not very confident in to make sure our customers are happy with our device and the device itself is useful. So please join our Discord in the description, and then we'll let you know about our beta program. Okay, feel free to ask any questions. I don't have it. My internet connection is not very good here, so I will just continue. Tell me something about Indonesia.
Indonesia is a vast and diverse archipelago nation comprising over 17,000 islands. It is the world's largest. The country is known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning natural landscapes, and biodiversity. Jakarta, the capital, is a bustling metropolis, while Bali is famous for its beautiful beaches and vibrant art scene. The country's cuisine is diverse and flavorful, reflecting its cultural diversity. Additionally, Indonesia's rich history includes influences from Indian, Chinese, Arab, and European traders, making
Okay.
it a fascinating blend of cultures.
Okay. Oh, I see another one. Let's do it again. I understand nothing about Indonesia.
Maaf atas ketidaknyamanannya. Saya akan berusaha semaksimal mungkin untuk membantu meskipun
what did you say? Translate it in English.
I said, I apologize for the inconvenience.
Okay. Please join live stream. So switch. Sorry. Okay. Nevertheless.
If you're experiencing poor signal during your YouTube live stream, there are a few things you can try connection and ensure that you have a stable and strong connection. If possible, consider using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more reliable difficulties and assure them that you are working to resolve the problem.
Yes, I'm working to resolve the problem. And I think I should. Okay. Let's see. I'll use the translation here. And let's see. What did the audience say? What did Mr. 绿色共产党
Sinyal
say?
Anda kurang bagus dan perlu diganti. Siaran langsung terputus-putus.
What does that mean?
Your signal is not good and needs to be replaced. The live broadcast keeps cutting out.
I'm very sorry for it. I'm sorry for it. Let's see what I can do. Okay, are we back here? I think we are back. Sorry for the inconvenience. connection now should be better. Is it? So let's reconnect our phone. Okay, I think we are back now. Please tell me I am online. Okay. Okay.
Apakah Anda menjual produk di platform konsumen Indonesia?
And the sound is not coming from our computer. Okay, that is enough glitch. Do you sell product on an Indonesian consumer platform? I don't think we do now, but if you are interested in being a reseller, and then and tell me about it. Okay. We're still in the beta stage of our product, but we also have to be platforms. Please join our Discord and keep in touch. Okay. It's not talking, it's very curious. Okay. Oh, you can. Oh, okay. So I have to let you know that our product is based on credits. Uh, so we will have free credits when you make your purchase, but when the credit runs out, you will have to pay for your own usage. I have to be honest with you. So the credit goes uh, one credit for each conversation. So I have to be honest about it. I think we can ship to you. Maybe you can be our beta test program participants. Okay, let's do another one. How large is Indonesia? The sound is not coming out from this one again. Let's turn off and on and try another one. Just bear with me. Okay. For some reason, it's not reading it out loud, but this one is uh, our device here can connect to our app. Our app will do the web search, which is to search the internet uh, for your own for your question, and then based on the results, they make the form the reply. So you can see that the reply are based on multiple sources. You can actually click it to see where did this come from. Mm-hmm. Okay, enough for this one. Okay, largest market in the East, North Asia. I'm not very. I have no knowledge about that. I don't. I'm not sure about that. I think you're right. Okay, another one. This is the metaphor. Okay, metaphor. The metaphor model will explain the difficult concepts or any concept you find hard to understand in plain metaphor, so you can understand it easily. Tell me about SDK. Mm-hmm. The sound is not coming out from the sound is not coming out from our computer now. Let me deal with it for a bit. Excuse me.
Uh, think of an SDK like a magical toolbox that a wizard gives you to help you build amazing spells. Just like how a toolbox contains all the tools you need to fix things around your house, an SDK,
Mm-hmm.
software development kit, contains tools, libraries, documentation, and
Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. I see. Let's go with how to pronounce this word. Tangara. Tangara. Let me let this help me.
Tenggara.
Tangara. I did not understand the word, but I will ask it. Uh, which country is the largest market in uh, it says Indonesia. I'm trying to show you on our live stream here. Okay, come on. Let's see. Sorry for the technical glitch. Market in Asia is Indonesia. Wow. which is also the largest economy in Southeast Asia. According to the World Bank, Indonesia is a diverse. I did not know the word. Okay, Mr. Emery, thank you for that. Okay, Indonesia. Let's see the source. It is from World Bank. So org. Okay, for you. Let's go with another. The rhyme master. Let me just show you. Indonesia is the last. Indonesia is the biggest. No need to be bigger. Okay. Just it tells you about when you receive an audio, a piece of text, it rhymes the text and then replies you with the I know you can rhyme. Says I'm on time, ready to chime. Yes, I know. Okay, enough for this one. We have another one. Here is our bone conduction headset. Bone conduction headset. It has our mark in it. So we put it on, turn it on. My phone. Oh, it is already connected. So let me disconnect the chat mic here and then connect to this one. Okay. So we have button here. Here, when you get connected to our app, you can push this button and then ask question about AI. Okay, tell me about yourself. Curious. Feel it on your. How to feel it on your head. I'm myself. Oh, I myself sometimes forget it is. I wear it and now I forget it is on my head. So I wonder why it is not. I think this one would do it. Let's do it again. What do you think about bone conduction headsets? Okay. Okay, let's go another Indonesian. Let's go to interpretation. And I will push and Push and talk.
Saya membutuhkan mikrofon terjemahan itu.
Send you a link. Discord community, and then okay, please join us in our Discord. Okay, let's try again. We will have staff to guide you through the purchase.
Silakan
Okay, finally.
untuk memandu Anda dalam pembelian.
Okay. Okay, another one. I see the word Shopee, but I don't think we are on Shopee now. I can guess the I can guess the that you're saying.
You need to create an account on Shopee.
Okay. Yes, I will tell the management to create an account on Shopee. Okay, let me show you another feature of our. Let's go over. This one is our bone conduction headset. So it has the buttons here, here, and here. When you're connected to our phone in Bluetooth devices and connected to our app, you can push this button to interact with different kinds of AI and interpreters, web search, and so on. And you can communicate with AI even if it is in your pocket, with your phone in your pocket. Let's say my phone now is locked now, and then I can talk to ChatGPT pushing this button. Tell me about Korean. So as you can see, okay. Oh, did not came through. Let's go again. Tell me about Korean. Let's see what's going on. Okay, again.
Worldwide. It has its own alphabet called Hangul, consisting of 24 letters. Korean is considered a language isolate, with no genealogical relationship to other languages, though it has borrowed from Chinese and English. The language features a complex honorific system reflecting social hierarchy. The global popularity of South Korean pop culture, including K-pop and Korean dramas, has led to increased interest in learning Korean.
Okay.
Its unique structure and rich history make it a captivating subject for linguistic study.
Okay, as you can see, my screen here is locked, but this one here is retains to the last image it gets from the phone. So let's do it again. Tell me about Japan.
Japan, an island nation in East Asia, is known for its rich culture, technology, and traditions. The official language is Japanese, spoken by the majority of the population. Japanese has 3 writing systems: kanji, characters originally from Chinese, hiragana, and katakana. The country's history is marked by periods of isolation and rapid modernization, leading to a unique blend of tradition and innovation. Japan has made significant contributions to various fields, including technology, anime, cuisine, and martial arts.
Okay.
Its traditional arts, such as tea ceremonies, ikebana, flower arranging, and kabuki theater are renowned worldwide.
Okay.
The nation also
Okay. So obviously, when you have the device, the answer, the reply will play through your headset and not through the computer. This is for displaying purpose that I play it through the computer to demonstrate it to you. So you don't have to pull out your phone, unlock the screen, and then find the app and connect it to it, and then to make a conversation, because our app works in the background. We have put a lot of resources and time to make sure it works in the background. So you can lock the screen, put your phone in your pocket, but still communicate with ChatGPT and other AI models. Let's chat with Claude here. Do you think you are better than ChatGPT?
Hearit.ai cannot answer this question. Please check out our safety policy.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
I'm an AI assistant focused on being helpful, harmless, and honest.
Okay, that's a short answer. Let's go. Okay, you should make sure that it is Claude. Who are you?
My name is Claude. I was created by Anthropic to be helpful, harmless, and honest.
Okay. Let's see Gemini. Who are you? Tell me about yourself.
I am Gemini, a multimodal AI language model developed by Google. I am designed to understand and generate human language, answer questions,
Okay.
and provide information on personal experiences or consciousness like humans. I am a generate language effectively. My purpose is to assist users by providing them with relevant information and answering their questions to the best of my abilities. I am constantly learning and improving, and I strive to become more comprehensive and helpful over time. Unlike humans, I do not have a physical body or the capacity for emotions. I exist solely as a digital entity, residing in the vast network of computers and data centers that power the internet. Preferences. Instead, I am a tool designed to facilitate communication, provide knowledge, and assist users in various tasks.
Okay, this is our production access. I see there's a question in the chat box. I see the word headset. Let's see, what is it?
Berapa harga headsetnya?
What is that?
How much is the price of the headset?
Okay, the price, I think, please check our website, Hearit.ai. Let's see. The price for the headset is okay, $89. 80. I will type in the website here, Hearit.ai. It is a website, and you can check out our products there. Okay. I think my signal is very bad. Sorry for that. Let's continue. As you can see here, let's go over. Large language models are natural interpreters, so it detects our device detects the language you speak and and translate it automatically to another to the language you speak. Here I have English here, so if it hears Indonesian or whatever language, it is auto detected and translate back to English. And if I speak English, it will interpret back to Indonesian. The price for the headset is $89.
Harganya untuk headset tersebut adalah $89.
Okay. Go to web search. Web search here. Okay. As you all know, large language models are when they ask about facts, they tend to make things up and they tend to hallucinate. We solve this problem by making this model with the web search model. We make sure the question will be recognized and searched in the internet, and the results are based on the search results, so they provide with accurate or at least source-based information. Let's see.
Largest archipelagic state, 1,358 square miles, according to Wikipedia. Meanwhile, Britannica states that Indonesia has a maximum dimension to south.
Okay, it is source space. Yeah, Britannica, CIA Word Factbook, different kinds of sources, and you can click to see the source itself. That's web search. Okay, let's go to metaphor. Metaphor is a model we developed to explain difficult concepts to you. So we can ask it the question, and what is the
Designed for efficient and cost-effective to manufacture. It involves considering the manufacturing processes, materials, tools, and resources available when designing a product. To understand DFM better, let's imagine you are a chef designing a new recipe for a delicious cake. In this analogy, the cake represents the final product you want to create, and the kitchen and ingredients represent the manufacturing processes and resources available to you. Now, if you design your cake recipe without considering the tools and ingredients you have in your kitchen, you might end up with a recipe that is difficult and expensive to make. For example, if your recipe calls for rare and expensive ingredients that are hard to find, to manufacture that cake efficiently. On the other hand, if you design your cake recipe with DFM principles in mind, you would use common ingredients and basic kitchen tools that are readily available. This way, you can easily mass-produce the cake without any issues, making the manufacturing process smooth and cost.
Okay. So that's the way it explains concepts. We configure it to use metaphor, explain concepts here. And that's the metaphor. So stay tuned, check out our description, and join our Discord if you want to know and give ideas on the models that you want to have in our app. Okay, enough for this. This is our bone conduction headset. Let's turn it off. One is our portable speaker. Let's see it. It's too bright here. Portable speaker. Type C charging port. Okay. Let's turn it on. It is the first AI chat mic does not have any speaker in it, so you will have to use your own earbuds or headsets to listen to the answer if you don't want the speaker to speak with it. But this one we have the there's a speaker in it, so you can connect it to our phone, and then the answer will play through. Start booting up. Let's see. I'll charge it. Okay. This is not working for us for now. Let's see this one. This one is a stylus pen. Stylus pen that is integrated with our app. Connect it like this. And still.
An artistic movement that emerged in the often employing distorted and exaggerated imagery to convey a particular mood or idea. This style is evident in various art forms, including painting, literature, architecture, and film. Expressionist works often feature bold colors, dynamic brushwork, and a Vasily can such as August Strindberg and practitioners like Bertolt, particularly in the German.
Or you press here.
Drawing a sunflower can be a fun and rewarding artistic endeavor. Start by sketching a circle in the center of your paper, which will represent the flower seed head. Then, draw long, narrow ovals around the circle to create the petals. Sunflowers typically have large, broad petals, so you can make them wide and slightly pointed at the ends. Once the petals are in place, add detail to the seed head by drawing small, connected ovals to represent the seeds. You can also add some leaves and a sturdy stem to complete the drawing. When it comes to coloring, sunflowers are known for their vibrant yellow petals and rich brown centers, so be sure to capture those colors. Feel free to add your own artistic flair to make the sunflower uniquely yours.
Tell me someone that is related to Expressionism.
One significant figure related to Expressionism is Edvard Munch. A Norwegian painter and printmaker, Munch is renowned for his iconic work The Scream, which embodies the emotional intensity and vivid use of color associated with the Expressionist movement. Through his expressive and symbolic style, Munch made a profound.
Okay. Well, because of the poor connection of the internet here, sometimes it is interrupted. So let's go to another one. Let's go do something fun about the rhyme master. The rhyme master here, let's see it. Today is raining and I wet my shoes.
Today is draining. I bet on blues.
Okay, as you can see, you reply the rhyme sentence. I have a stylus pen.
I have a virus den.
Okay. Okay, enough for the rhyme master. Let's go with interpreter. Large language models are natural interpreters. They know various languages and they can translate between each other. Our device, each one of our device auto detects the language, so you don't have to know the person standing in front of you. You don't have to know what language he or she speaks, and you just have to let them speak into our device, and the language is auto detected. As you can see, I did not choose any language here. I just choose the model interpreter, and I know a few words in Japanese. Let's try that. 今日は雨だった。And if you speak English to it, let's see. I think I'm going to buy an umbrella.
私は傘を買うつもりだと思います。
Yes, it will interpret between different kind of languages. 傘は高すぎる。That goes like that. I can use back and forth. Okay, here is our stylus pen here. And let's go back to. Oh, okay, we've been streaming for 190 minutes now. And our live stream will end in 3 minutes. Now check out our. We will tell you about this live stream time and whether you can purchase free samples for feedbacks. So please free sample. And we have different kinds of products that can communicate with GPT and other models, of course. Here is our AI Chatmic. Here is our bone conduction headset. Here is the stylus pen and our portable speaker, and so on. We have different kinds of hardwares. So I think that's enough live streaming for today. So this, like I said, join our Discord group and then stay tuned for our next live stream. And maybe hit the subscribe button. Let's say goodbye to everyone. Our live stream on YouTube is ending now. Say goodbye to everyone.
It's been a pleasure spending this time with you. And subscribe for more updates and exciting content. Goodbye, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
There will be.